Hello, hi guys, and thank you for watching our first episode.
Yes. We had a lot of feedbacks. We
Yes.
read all your comments. We heard you.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did. And we appreciate all the good things that you have told us and your suggestions. Highly, highly appreciated.
I would like to greet Arch Knight from YouTube.
Wow.
Shout out
May
daw.
viewers na
From
talaga.
Madam I'm
Fairness, alam mo, parang nakailang views ba tayo?
3,000 in Facebook, 400 plus in YouTube.
Oh.
And we had subscribers too. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
In one
Bakit?
platform.
Bakit ba?
Also, introduce ourselves.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Again, I'm Claro.
And I'm
And this is
Actors
Scrubs. Yan. Again, it's post-Valentine's.
Yes,
No?
yes.
So,
how was everybody's Valentine's?
It's fine.
Na-
I'm okay.
yeah.
Iraos ba na ang
Nairaos
lahat?
natin ang 24 hours.
How about you, baby girl?
I'm happy. I'm very much happy. Thank you for asking.
Sige, so dahil ngayon ay February pa din, so we are continuing our series about, ano ba? Love, relationship. But again, we're not claiming that we are experts
Yeah,
in
we're
terms of...
not relationship experts.
So, etong mga
We're just having fun. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just mere opinions and sa
Yan.
kasabawan.
Yan. So, ito ay base lamang sa aming mga experiences,
Or
aming
nabasa
nabasa,
ko lang.
sa
Saan ko
mga,
nabasa?
or sa mga kwento-kwento ng mga kaibigan
Yes.
namin, ganyan. So, now, dahil nagkaroon tayo ng mga subscriber, by the way, we call them Scrubscribers. Yan.
So cute.
Dahil tayo after Scrubs, so meron tayong mga
Subscriber.
Scrubscribers
Yes.
na nag-send ng kanilang mga
Questions.
At maraming salamat sa aming research team. Oh, may research team kami. Maraming salamat sa aming research team
Na
at
nag-pull in.
na nag-collate ng
Ng
mga at ito ang aming mahiwagang fishbowl with your questions and topics.
Actually, dahil after scrubs tayo, doktor tayo, no? Ito ang aming emergency kit.
Emergency kit
Question.
of questions. Okay, so ang gagawin natin for tonight, guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is, hindi pa natin to alam.
Yeah.
Okay? So, meron
Meron
tayong
tayong research team na
Meron
nagsulat niyan.
na di umano,
Wala kaming ka-idea.
na di umano na nag-compile at
Nangolekta.
nangolekta.
Na inuikot-ikot ang mundo.
At ang sabi sa amin, these are controversial topics.
Very
Thought-provoking.
Thought-provoking.
Heavy.
Okay, so gagawin natin, bubunot tayo ng isang question. So, we will answer it as candid or as truthful as possible.
Yes.
So, yun na natin. Okay!
Who's gonna pick one?
Wait lang. Ang may iba siya bubunot.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Maiba, taya. Maiba, taya. Maiba, taya.
Are you kidding?
Ay man, sige. Sige.
Oh my goodness.
Nakabahan ako.
Ang question ay, galing kay Sweet Girl for You ng Tondo, Manila.
Okay,
Okay lang ba to keep secret sa partner mo if it's to protect their feelings?
Oh.
Protect their feelings.
The
So,
partner's feelings.
depende kung ano yung secret na yon. Kasi kung yung secret naman na yon is, kunyari, ikaw ba, sasabihin mo sa partner mo mabawi yung hininga niya? Pero madali siya ma-offend.
Pili ako ng maraming gargle tsaka ano.
As compared sa isang secret na ikaw ay may ka-text, ganyan.
Iba yun.
Diba? So,
Depende dun sa proteksyonan mo.
And if
Kung
it,
pwede mo naman gawa ng paraan na distansya amiga.
ginawa mo na yan.
Yung proteksyon
Meron
ng
kang
feelings
secret
niya.
na tinago na hindi mo sasabihin sa partner mo. Or sinasabi mo ba sa kanya?
Oo. Ginawa ko na. Kunyari may nasabi yung ibang tao na bad about
your partner.
my partner.
You don't tell your
Kung hindi
partner.
naman niya kailangan malaman, hindi ko nasasabihin kasi alam kong sensitive siya, gano'n.
So, depende kung she's gonna be pikon. No?
Or damdamin niya na to the point na baka maayawan niya na din yung parents ko, gano'n. Yung, she would take it personally.
Or magtatampo ng todo.
Oo.
Kasi, paano if it's gonna lead to fights? You're not gonna tell them, no?
Yun, pero kung I think na it's going to have an impact in our relationship, I should say it kahit na masaktan siya.
Impact na what? Like, positively?
No, negative. Kunyari, alam kong maapektuhan siya dun sa secret na yon, dapat sabihin ko, pero katulad na yung mabahong hininga kasi parang, pwede namang solusyonan yun ng parang discreet ka lang, gano'n. Pero yung parang,
Huwag ganun physically. Like, something like, what are you not gonna tell them?
Alam mo to si Sweet Girl for You, hindi ko alam baka may ginagawa talaga to eh. No? So,
alam mo, gawa ka.
oo, kung sa tingin mo ikakasira yan ng relasyon nyo, no, itigil mo na yan.
Oo.
Okay? Wag mo na siyang gawing sikreto.
Oo.
At least lang, no? Kung may mga bagay naman na alam mo namang hindi naman ikakabuti ng relasyon nyo, kung ano mang sikreto yun, itigil mo na. I think yun yung sagot dun eh.
Oo.
If it's not, again,
If it will ruin the relationship, tigil mo na.
but if tables were turned, would you want your partner to tell the things? Or
Depende rin kasi sa perspective eh. Kasi kung ako, buhat bangko na to. Kasi parang feeling ko broad-minded person ako. So parang kaya ko namang i-take yun.
you can
Na,
handle it?
I could handle na. Sa tingin ko makakasakit sa akin.
So you would appreciate it.
I would appreciate na sabihin sa akin ng partner.
So baby girl,
But-
for you, keep it or not?
Keep. Depende rin sa gravity ng ginawa ko. Like what I did.
Okay.
If di ba?
Or for example, sige, let's put it like
Something we did.
for example, there is a dark secret in your past.
Would I share it to the person?
Will you share it to the person to protect their feelings?
To protect their feelings, yes. But if it's not gonna like add anything naman to...
Ako siguro sa akin, gusto ko kasi yung character ng person na, alam mo, mapapag-usapan namin, may maturity in terms of perspectives, ganyan, no? Kasi kung very narrow-minded naman yung person, parang ang hirap naman din magano. I mean, parang in the long run, sustainable ba yung ganong klaseng ano?
Hindi dapat rin, wag tayo mag-narrow-minded people na boyfriends and girlfriends.
I think it takes a certain amount of maturity to keep a relationship stable. No? Somehow.
Totoo.
Okay. Sweet Girl for You, maraming salamat sa tanong mo. From Tondo, pero
But make us think, ha?
in fairness naman kay Sweet Girl for You. Okay, I think Baby Girl and you choose another question.
And this one is, oh wow. Do individuals have the right to pursue their desires and interests kahit it means cheating in a relationship? Oh wow. Edna from Canada.
Wow! Diba? Sige, Edna! Tumawa tayo ng
Edna,
Canada.
girl, this
Edna.
question,
Grabe, tignan mo.
Wait lang, sorry.
May maple syrup. Grabe.
Wait lang, hindi ko masyado
Ulit.
Do individuals have the right to pursue ang kanilang desires and interests kahit na it means cheating in a relationship?
That's kind of,
I think kailangan mo natin i-define what constitutes cheating. For me, ang definition ko ng cheating is...
Ito na tayo. Kasi guys, no last episode, no, medyo napagtulungan nila ako, hindi daw cheating. Di ba, Michael, cheating yung pag-list ng mga case ng mga ano.
it depends on the person
yes.
doing it.
Sige,
Amount.
I sit corrected. Pero, sige.
Okay, game muna.
Sa akin,
Cheating
ang definition ko ng cheating is something that is out of bounds ng inyong relationship na hindi magiging katanggap-tanggap. Kasi, like maraming open relationships. No? Okay lang sa kanila. Okay lang because it's a consensual decision na parang, sige, I'll allow you to date other people, you allow me to date other people, and that's okay.
Yeah.
And it is within their bounds of, kumbaga may contract sila,
May
no?
usapan.
May usapan. Pero for example, dapat pwede ka makipag-date sa labas, pero dapat alam ko, sabihin mo sa akin. Pero kung hindi mo sinabi sa akin yon, ay magagalit ako.
So there's an agreement. And
Ah.
what
So, for example, yung iba naman, wag kang magla-like ng pictures ng ibang babae diyan or ibang lalaki diyan kasi
Tapos
and if
ginawa
you
mo
do
pala.
that, it's for them it's cheating, ganon. So, I think it depends on the mutual agreement.
yeah, it depends on the agreement. Yeah. Pero kasi, may mga things na gusto mo gawin. Pero bad yun, wag na.
Mm.
Never mind.
So,
Wag na,
okay
wag
lang
na.
ba na i-pursue mo yung desire mo and interest? Kahit
Yun, what is pursue the desire?
For example,
Ito
Mm.
kasi yung parang ang intindi ko kasi dyan, parang may desires and interest siya, not necessarily for intimacy.
Okay, yes,
So,
yes.
parang to the point na cheating ka na, ibig sabihin ka ng cheating dyan ay may dishonesty lang.
siguro parang
Kasi-
gano'n.
Oo, kasi, kunyari,
For instance,
kunyari, ako, gusto ko magkarelasyon tayo, nasa Philippines tayo,
Mm.
pero gusto ko pala mag-pursue ng work abroad.
Mm.
Okay.
Pero alam ko naman na hindi mo masyadong gusto kasi gusto mo lang sa Philippines.
Mm.
So, parang ganun ang example ko. Kunyari, ako, yun talagang desire and interest ko pero di mo naiintindihan to the point na I have to commit cheating, which is being dishonest with you.
Mm.
Because,
Technically, ganun yun,
oo,
di ba?
diba? Kasi I want to pursue my dream.
Mm.
So, yun yung
Pero
parang,
parang ang toxic ng ganito.
Oo.
I mean, parang,
kasi from the start, dapat you have to be clear.
what your plans are.
Oo.
If like, kunyari, getting married, tapos, iba pala yung gusto. Why are you smiling?
so kunyari,
Kasi sa akin, yung OFW, tapos married na naman.
Kasi,
Nakaka-
okay, sige na.
so,
Ang hirap.
for me, red flag to. Yung tipong personal interest and desire mo for
Okay.
for your personal growth.
Okay, okay. Pero
Isang ano yun, isang aspect yun. On the other end of the spectrum naman is yung lustful desires.
Intimacy nga.
Pursue mo ba yun? May needs ako eh.
what are those needs?
May needs ako eh. Meron akong
Oo, sabihin na natin, sexual intercourse,
Oo.
nagbibigay sa'yo ng partner mo. Ganyan.
Oh,
Ganon ba yun? Yung ba yung ibig mo sabihin?
do we
So-
have the right to pursue our personal desires? Even if it means cheating.
Dapat ayusin muna.
Ayun, ako hindi. Ano talaga yun sa akin? Hindi naman pero at the onset, alam mo naman kung ano yung gusto natin, kung ano yung bounds natin, and what are the things that would hurt me. Ibig sabihin, kasi parang imagine mo nag-cheat ka, and then, alam mong kakagalit ko yun. But, may choice ka, ginawa mo. So there was a point in time na you were able to set me aside and then pursue what your body wants to do. So natanggal mo ko dun sa consideration. So actually yun yung hurtful.
Yun yung
thing for
hurtful.
me.
and what if one time lang? Kasi nalasing.
May tawad.
Ayan, isa pa yan.
Oh,
Iaalaw mo ba yun? Ikaw, iaalaw mo ba yun? Nalasing. Or ano ba?
and then they'll have sex.
And then may nangyari, parang ganyan. Cheating ba yun?
If you're not aware of what you're doing, is it cheating? Kasi di ba if you're drunk, you're not aware of what you're doing,
Hindi
right?
masyadong ma-quantify kasi yun Parang hindi mo na maalam. Alam niyo ba talaga o hindi niya alam? Or wala lang siyang control?
Or naglalasing-lasingan ba
Oo,
siya?
hirap
Ganyan.
kasi. Parang,
Ah.
pero syempre, oo.
Kasi
makakontrol
given na nga, you're drunk and then something happened. Are you gonna tell them? Your boyfriend? Or if not, you're not gonna tell, you're gonna keep it? Kasi it will hurt him eh.
Kasi ang tanong kasi, do individuals have the right? Wala kang right sa umpisa pa lang to pursue yung interest mo na may kasamang cheating. Akin wala kang right.
Okay.
Para sa akin. Do you have the right? Wala. Kaso, gusto mo.
So Edna,
They have
pumapusok kang
Alam mo,
tao
Edna, no?
at parati mong sinusulong ang karapatan mo para ikaw ay mag-cheat. Medyo
think twice.
medyo
Oo.
i-evaluate mo na yung values mo as a person.
Kasi wala kang right. Wala muna.
Wala.
Oo, na i-pursue yun na may kasamang cheating. Pero may right ka na i-pursue yung dreams mo and interest mo.
Yeah.
Hiwalayan mo na lang yung partner mo.
Yon, stay single.
Actually,
You
yun.
wanna do what you want to do.
Ganyan ka.
If you think if you think it's not working and things are going out of hand, kung kayo hindi pa kasal at kayo ay nagde-date pa lang, medyo i-assess mo na yung sarili mo dyan. Para
Because you can compromise naman what you want for another person. That's kind of unfair.
Correct. And
Right.
also, di ba, sasaktan mo pa yung partner mo para lang hindi mumunod ka na ng last question.
Itong si Edna, ano ba?
Edna.
Edna, pero salamat sa tanong mo.
Uy, thank you.
Salamat sa tanong.
Abangan
Where's she from?
From Canada. Next question. Pwede pa bang ma-build ang trust if it's broken or hindi na? From Lilibet ng South Korea. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Yan.
So, pwede
Pwede pa bang ma-rebuild ang trust if it's broken or irreparable na siya? Alam mo, ako parang it's a prelude to a toxic relationship. Kaya nga sabi ko rin, parang alam mo ang love is para lang siyang So ito yung love mo will bubuhos mo yung tubig dyan, so overflowing yung love mo, ganyan, so pero kasi parang ito yung trust analogy ko lang to so yung love is the one, yung water or whatever. And then the receptacle is the trust. And if mabasag yung trust, kahit punuan mo siya ng maraming tubig,
There's gonna be leaks.
magli-leak lang siya. So hindi siya mapupuno. Either you drip out of love, gano'n, or hindi na gano'n gaya ng dati, something like that. Because yung trust, nabutas na. Or siguro in some instances wherein, sige, lagyan natin ng epoxy. Lagyan
Sa
natin.
Japan,
But,
gold.
yeah.
Huh?
Na-hold niya yung trust, na-hold niya yung love, but you're broken.
Saka pwede kang masugat. Ikaw
Oo.
na yung masusugat sa kakahold mo.
Along the process, di ba?
It's
Pwede.
a nice
Di ba? Or for example, for me, ako ganun.
Lalo ka lang magbe-bleed.
Pwede siya, pwede naman ma-build yung trust again. Pwede naman. Is it irreparable? I think I think it can
Pwede
be
naman
repaired.
reversible. Pwede naman. Sa una, mahirap. Alam mo yun din sa mga taong nakakabasag ng tiwala, magtatrabahuhan nyo talaga yan ng
Totoo
bonggang-bongga
naman.
para mag-trust ulit sa inyo yung partner nyo.
And
Pag willing kayo na ganon, go, di ba?
So you give them another chance. Parang ganun, di ba? Yung question.
Depende dun sa
Because if
ginawa.
you give them another chance, it means the trust is back? No, not necessarily.
Kasi hirap na kunyari for example, may hindi sinabi sa'yo, tapos lately nalaman mo, ganun pala siya. Tapos biglang nung kinonfirm mo, nagka-girlfriend ka ba dati? Parang ganyan. Ikaw lang ang first ko, ganyan. Or may nangyari ba sa inyo nung person na yun dati? Wala nangyari sa amin, ganun. Tapos biglang, eventually nalaman mo na na may nangyari pala sa kanila. Sabi mo lang nangyari, parang ganun. Diba? Magiging toxic na rin na parang, ano pa bang
Love.
sinasabi sa akin?
Kala ko yung ano pa bang...
Pero Lilibet, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Kasi pag nalampasan nyo yun, na nabuild mo ulit yung trust niya towards you, mas lalong titibay yung relasyon. Sinasabi niya sa'yo,
Titibay?
titibay. Kasi nalampasan niya na nabuild niya ulit yung trust niya, tapos
But
naayos
could
nila
it be
ulit.
100% again?
Well, at the back of Lilibet's mind. Siyempre meron pa rin pagdududa, no? Tapos iinom mo na lang ng soju yan, ganyan. O kaya ikakain mo na lang ng kimchi
Ng
yan.
kimchi.
Thank you.
Oo. Thank you.
Alam mo yan, hindi ko kayang gawin mag-isa. Mag-samgyupsal mag-isa.
Kaya
Kaya ko,
ko lang naman nagsisanggip mag-isa.
No.
kaya ko manood ng sine mag-isa.
Yeah.
Kaya kong
I could eat
kumain
alone.
sa restaurant mag-isa. Pero hindi ko kaya kumain sa samgyupsal mag-isa.
Ako, I do not like samgyeopsal because I went out to, di ba, eat. I don't want to cook outside my house.
Well, may kasama, okay lang.
Na mag-cook for you.
Well, as a Disney princess, talagang I think, as a Disney princess like yourself, cooking by yourself
No.
is out of the question.
No, I love.
Kung kasama niya yung mama niya, sino magluluto? Kasama niya si Christian.
Actually, pwede ka naman magpaluto doon sa waiter. Yeah. Pwede naman.
Yung smell.
But still, but
Ayaw na talaga.
alam,
Ayaw mo na.
wala. Pag ayaw
Ayaw
talaga.
talaga. Ate Lilibet kasi. Alam mo,
Pag-aawayan pa dahil.
alam mo Lilibet.
How South Korea.
Yeah, I hope na hindi naging malamig ang karanasan mo dyan sa South Korea. And kung ano man yung pinagdaanan mo dyan, sana'y lalo ka pang tumatag, no?
Lilibet.
So,
Bali,
and I think yung question applies not only sa mga relationships, romantic relationship, but also friendship, sa friends, office mates.
O kanyari your friend lied to your face. Ano, are you gonna like, end
ganyan
their,
naman talaga.
yeah, are you gonna end their,
Kasi sa workplace,
yeah, to your face.
alam mo lang na at least alam mo na nagsisinungaling siya tapos yung pakikitungo mo sa kanya, you'd be careful na. Just consider it as a warning, di ba?
You're still gonna be friends.
Okay.
Mahirap kasi mag-cut off ng ties sa
Sa work?
workplace kasi kailangan mo magpaka-team player sa work eh. So,
Iba yun.
iba yun. You have to be
Iba yun.
professional pa
Yeah,
rin.
but you don't have to be friends. Like, you just
Yun nga,
have professions,
Team
but
player
not,
pa din, professional pa din.
yeah.
Pero, hindi naman more than that.
Okay. Okay, last question.
3 minutes na.
Last question.
Okay,
lang
okay.
yan. Ako na pipili na. Sorry.
Parang Miss
Alright.
Birds.
What is the grandest gesture that you ever did for love? From Jogaline of Fairview, Quezon City. Ang arte ng pagkakatanong ko tapos pangalan Jogaline.
From
What is the
Fairview.
grandest gesture that you ever did for love? Jogaline of Fairview, Quezon City. My gosh, grandest gesture.
Who's gonna go first?
Baby girl, what was your grandest gesture?
Okay, siguro I went out of my way, as in out of my way to be with the person that I love. Come hell
Like,
and high-
bigyan mo kami ng context ng out of the way na yan.
I can't, kasi come hell and high water.
Ano, hindi mo
Pinuntahan,
ang dami kasing ibig sabihin, like parang you went out of your way, taga Baguio siya, nasa Tagaytay ka, ganyan, or madaling araw na ba yun, wala kang car, you went out of your way, ganyan.
So far away and then.
So like literally, geographically
Yeah,
speaking,
yeah.
like really far, so you went.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Miles and miles.
Kontinente.
Oh.
Yung usapan
Whatever.
dito.
So ang
Anyway.
ending,
Ending was fun.
at least,
Hindi, yeah. Kasi if you, for me talaga, grand gestures, patok.
okay.
So that's, I think that's the grandest of the grand. What about you?
Pero muna,
Ikaw yung nasa gitna ng...
grandes.
It's gonna reveal a lot about us, no?
Oo,
Kasi,
kasi
dapat, pwede ba? Sino ba yan?
alam mo, Jogaling na Fairview, medyo malapit ka lang dito, no?
Bakit kasi what was
Kung sino man to
the question
Jogaling.
should have been, Jogaling, what was the grandest thing that was done for you?
Hawak ko pamilya mo, Jogaling. May araw. Huwag kang dadayo dito sa
Guys,
Cubao,
you
ha?
have to answer the answer dito.
Huwag kang dadayo dito sa Cubao
Hindi,
kasi
siguro,
mapapatay ka.
ito na yung seryosong tanong ko.
Huh?
Ay, sagot ko. Dati kasi, pag may nagtanungan na kami mag-best friend ni Clara before ng tungkol dyan, med school. So may sagot ako, may ready akong sagot agad sa grandest gesture na nagawa ko for a relationship. Ngayon, nung nag-iisip ako ngayon na kung ano yung grandest gesture ko, nag-pale down yung sagot ko dati sa mga nagawa ko na for my previous relationship. Kasi, araw-araw akong nagge-gesture para dun sa last relationship.
Oh, so that's grand. That's little things.
Oo, na araw-araw. Ganun.
Wow.
Parang sa tingin ko, yun, yung mga gestures ko, siguro naman,
Sa araw-araw na ginawa ng ating buhay.
may mga pitik-pitik tayo.
Ay,
May pitik-pitik. Araw-araw lang may may
sige,
giveaway.
okay. You did.
Siguro na.
Oo.
Grandest gesture that I did for love.
Diba there's a song what I did?
Oy, when nagpa-birthday ako sa mama ko. Bakit ba?
Oh,
Oh.
so fair. Oh,
Diba?
share. Jocelyn, we're gonna fight.
Medyo tricky question ka, Jogalyn, pero yes, ako, grandest gesture ko when we plan for a birthday
Okay,
celebration.
dahil dyan,
for
ako naman yung sagot ko naman. Yung grandest gesture ko for love, always, sa family ko, kapag meron silang medical concern, ako talaga yung nakatoka, automatic, na ako magbabantay sa ospital, kahit gano'n pa yan katagal, ako yung magagawa ng legwork for the
Mm. What is your love language?
Love language, acts of service.
Ako din same.
Same. And I think
What are the, tell me again, it's your
acts of service,
Quality time,
quality time,
for physical touch,
physical words of
words of
affirmation,
affirmation,
and gifts.
giving
Yes.
gifts.
I think words of affirmation, I think acts of service, hindi mo naman siya magagawa din kung wala ka ring time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so medyo pang-second ko siya. But I think that is symbiotic yun. Parang
Mhm.
yan.
Acts of service.
Acts of service.
That's why we're friends.
Yeah.
Everything, we do it out of love.
Jogalyn, maraming salamat sa trick question mo. Pero
Mhm.
yes. And I'm sure sa mga susunod nating mga ididil sa buhay, I'm sure there will be the grandest of the grand love gesture that you will
Looking
for your-
forward.
to your loved ones. And I hope you will also receive
Yes.
grandest
To
Oo,
give and to
yeah.
receive is what I'm gonna say.
that you will also receive those gestures as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's all for tonight.
Yes.
And mukhang puputulin na natin dito. Marami pa tayong questions, pero I think we will reserve this for our next episode.
And also, submit your questions so
Yes.
para makita ng research team namin yan.
Yes,
Follow us on all platforms. There's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's
yun lang.
YouTube,
YouTube yan.
Spotify next, and we're gonna
Wow.
and we have TikTok.
You have TikTok.
And then they're gonna do X or Twitter.
Yes. But for now, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
If you have questions, just put it in the comment section or you can private message us aming mga social accounts.
Media accounts.
Yeah.
And also, thank you for the overwhelming support.
Yeah. Once again, I'm Claro.
I'm Ayman.
I'm Anna.
And this is
After Scrolls.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Ano kaya itong mga tanong dito sa loob? Ayaw mo na basahin. Mayami sa
That was
Medyo-
Hirap ng mga tao.
I had to give myself
Medyo
a
naganda
break.
ako
It's so unfair. It should have been like,
Kaya mo na.
God!
Ako nga, di ko na alam yung grandest gesture sa dami.
Ay,